Do you know, it's getting so close to Christmas I don't even know what day it is. But I have checked and it is day 7. I'm going to wrap a box. I'm going to wrap a box. I'm not going to wrap a box. I'm going to wrap a box. Would you like me to do that again, Dave?
You can do what you like.
Oh, okay. No, we'll just go with it. We'll just go with it. I'm going to wrap a box. We're going to need that cloth again, the same size as I've been using for, which is the medium size cloth. And this time it's going to be a nice green Christmas one. And this design here is actually one that I stenciled on in Kyoto. So this is called Yuzen. It's a stenciling method. And then you go white at the end. I may also end up this part of the video with a list for some strange reason. There's no hope. This is one of Andrew's Christmas presents because I broke his last light. So we're going to use his light for this one. So we're going to put it in the middle. Same thing we always do. We're going to put it in the middle. Back to that diagonal again. I'm going to take the front and the back and just hold it up like that so it does actually go and sit in the middle for this one. So we got it sat there. It's in the middle and it's in the middle that way and that way. And you guess what we're going to do? We're going to do that crossover knot, the square knot again. So we're going to knot it to there. We're not going to put a second knot in this time because what we're going to do is we're going to take this and this and we're going to tie those together. So I'm going to tie those together there. Now we're just going to leave that for a second. You can see where we're going again. You're going to take this one and this one. And remember, we neaten everything up at the end and you're going to tie that one there and that one there. So this is a double knot. So now you can do the cross through knot and we've got a nice square knot into there. And I tuck that into there. And we're going to do the same with this one. I keep saying none of these wraps are difficult, but they do look spectacularly nice when you've got them all folded together. So we've got 3 knots on the top of our box. And remember that thing we did with the tucking? If you want to make these into bows, all you're going to do is you're just going to tuck them into that hole that you've got, the space that you've got. If you can't get your fingers in there, just use the end of a chopstick or the end of a pencil, not the lead end, the other end, and that way you can neaten these bows up. So do I want to, I think I both go in the same way, I think. So we're going to have that tucked into there. Now I'm not going to throw this one on the floor because this has got a glass light in it, so I've got to be a bit more careful with this. And I'm not buying another one. So I'm going to tuck it into there. Make sure everything's neat and tucked in. Tidy it all round. And you've got a box knot. We've got loads more projects coming soon. Subscribe so you don't miss them.